Well, it's a very cold day. As you might be able to tell. There's Lillian texting me. This is not snow. Looks like snow, but it's actually all ice. The stuff on the plants, frozen solid. What the heck? You can see there's no one driving, obviously, because there's like an inch of ice over everything. Pretty cold. Woo! What's that? Someone was here. See, there's icicles on the cars. And the trees are drooping down. I don't think we've ever had an ice storm like this before. So this is kind of interesting. So, yeah. It's still autumn, too. Supposedly. If you look at the fire hydrant, it's really interesting because there's this layer of ice over it. And it looks like it's preserved in ice, like some human body or something. Some more close-ups of ice. Everything is just frozen in a layer of ice. You can hear the ice crackling when the wind blows. Poor tree. The ice on the road is actually really thick. Sort of melting. Anyways, let's see if I stick my finger in there. Goes about halfway. Like there's a little lake behind this. This is the ice lake. What? Ooh, this ice is cold. It's a frozen wonderland. Even the pond has iced over somewhat. It's quite cold. It's frozen.